A complex sentence consists of one independent clause. It is also known as main clause, as I said before, and one dependent clause. The dependent clause cannot stand alone because it gives a meaningless or incomplete sentence, so the name dependent clause. This dependent and independent clause are joined by subordinators like although, because, since, when, after, or relative pronoun like when, who, that, and etc. Now let me explain you with the example. First example, I love English because it is interesting. See the first part of the sentence, I love English. It gives you a complete meaning. I love English. Second part is because it is interesting. It doesn't give you a meaning or a completion. No completion is there. So the first part independent clause and the second part dependent clause are connected together or joined together by a subordinator because. So this is a complex sentence. Second example, when he came home, his mother hugged him. When he came home, his mother hugged him. So when he came home, the first part of the sentence, it doesn't give any meaning, right? So that is the dependent clause. His mother hugged him gives a complete meaning, which is the independent clause. So the subordinator used here is when. Now always listen, when the subordinator comes in the beginning of the sentence, like although, because, since, when, after, the sentence is always formed by comma. These are the simple rules to follow while changing the sentence into a complex form. Now let us see some more examples. The first one, after she left, her parents arrived. So here, her parents arrived will give you a complete sense. So that is the independent clause. After she left is the dependent clause and a subordinator used here is after. Second one, I clapped loudly when my son went up on stage. Here, I clapped loudly is the complete sense, which is the independent clause. When my son went on to the stage is dependent clause and the subordinator is when. Third one, when he won the award, everyone cheered. Everyone cheered here is independent clause because it consists one subject and one verb. When he won the award is meaningless, so that is a dependent clause and a subordinator is when. Fourth one, although Sheila was running late, she seemed relaxed. So she seemed relaxed is a independent clause. Although Sheila was running is a dependent clause and the subordinator is although. Last one, he took an umbrella because it was raining. It was raining is the independent clause. He took an umbrella is the dependent clause and the subordinator used here is because. Thank you.